Hello there, math friends. Today we're taking a look at scale drawings and how to use them. And scale drawings are just a scaled down drawing of what you would find in the actual world. So a map is a scale drawing of a part of the world. And blueprints are a scale drawing. It's a smaller scaled version of what the actual dimensions of a house or a building or something would be. And so let's get started. It says here that a scale drawing of Todd's living room is 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And the scale of the drawing is 1 centimeter is equal to 4 feet. So that means for every 1 centimeter is the same thing as 4 feet. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to set up a proportion so that we are comparing that 1 centimeter, because 1 centimeter is the equivalent of 4 feet. And as you can see here, we have 4 centimeters, so I'm going to put that over here in the other side of my proportion, 4 centimeters. And then how many feet will that be? Well, let's see. If I multiply 1 times 4, I get 4. And then if I multiply 4 times 4, because I have to do exactly the same way, then what do I get? 4 times 4 is 16. So this side, instead of being 4 centimeters, the actual measurement would be 16 feet. And then the other one, 6 centimeters, well, we're going to set up the proportion again, same way. 1 centimeter is equal to 4 feet. That's what it says here. 1 centimeter equals 4 feet. That's our scale. And the length of this side is 6 centimeters. So how many feet is that? Well, let's see. 1 times 6 equals 6. And 4 times 6 would be how much? 4 times 6 is 24. So that would be 24 feet. So instead of being 6 centimeters, it would be 24 feet. And there you have it, another way that we use proportions to solve real-world problems. Now, we want to find the area of the room in feet. Well, the original room was 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters, so the area of the drawing would have been 4 times 6, which would be 24 square centimeters. But the actual room would be 24 feet times 16 feet, which is 384 feet. Square feet. Okay, well, there you have it. Just remember, when you're setting up the proportion, when you're using scale drawings, make sure that you set it up in your proportion so that you are always comparing the scale that they use. 1 centimeter equals 4 feet, and we set it up right here to start, and then finish the rest of the proportion. That's it. Have a great day. Don't forget to be awesome.